In this video, we're asked to write a method called double positives. And what it's going to do is it's actually going to change the data in our binary tree. And it's going to replace anything greater than 0 with a multiplication factor of 2. We're not going to have any return type because we're going to be changing the values of our tree node itself. So we're going to say public void double positives. And it's not going to take any parameters because, once again, we don't want our heavy lifting to be done by our main public method here. So double positives. What are we going to take in? Well, we're going to take in the node we're looking at because we want to look at its values, see if they're positive, and then change the values there. But we don't have a return type, so there's nothing to return. We're going to call a private method called double positives. And because it takes overall root as a parameter, we're going to say it's going to take an int tree node called root. And in this method, we're going to look at we're going to look at the root. And well, the easiest thing to look at is if the root is not null. We want to print something, because if the root is equal to null, then we have nothing to do. So it's kind of pointless to say if root is equal to null and then have an else case right after that. So to get rid of that kind of redundancy there, we'll just say if root is not equal to null, basically meaning that we have value to our root, then let's start looking at things. Well, if we have a value in there, remember that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -2, -5, those are all values that we can look at. So we need to look at a special case. We need to look at values that are positive. Just represent that with a plus. So let's look at an if statement here. So if root.data is greater than 0, we want to look at the data field there. We want to basically say, okay, we're going to take the data point there, and we're going to increase its size by a factor of 2. And do we have anything else to do? Yes, we do, because we actually have to start looking down the right and the left side of the tree nodes here. Not not root.next. So we're going to look at both sides there. And that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.